रेड दिसला की तो चालू आहे आणि कोणीतरी मध्येच बंद केलंय की तो बंद होतोय, बंद करू नका. कोणाचा व्हिडिओ चालू आहे आता कोण दिसतंय स्क्रीनवर? लेफ्ट होऊ नका, फक्त बंद. लिव्हला हात लावू नका. लिव्ह बटन जे आहे ना रेड, त्याला कुणीही हात लावू नका. ते साईडची जी दोन बटन आहेत डाव्या बाजूची, तेच कॅमेरा सारखं तो कॅमेरा दिसतोय आणि पुढे साऊंड सारखं ते चित्र दिसतंय, ते दोन्ही बंद ठेवायचे. बाकीच्या दुसऱ्या दोन्हीला हात लावू नका. So nominal account rule is debit the expenses and credit the incomes and gains. Debit the expenses and credit the income and gains. So general discussion we are made today. I am not going to start any syllabus, any chapter, but we are taking the revision of the accountancy subject which you have studied at 11th and 12th standard. Now some common methods of bookkeeping and accountancy are single entry and double entry system. Now from the olden days, very years ago, the single entry system of accountancy is to be applied. Single entry means only one entry is to be made, that is debit or credit. Some personal accounts to be maintained and only one record is maintained, that is single entry. The double entry means if any transaction we are recorded debit as well as credit, then it is to be known as double entry system. So double entry system is a recent system of accountancy. In the olden days, 100 years ago, 500 years ago, when the bookkeeping is come into existence, only single entry system is to be adopted. Suppose you are purchased machinery, so you can maintain only machinery account, and from whom you are purchased, that is not recorded. So you can only record or maintain the machinery account, and the third party's account from whom the asset is to be purchased, that is not to be recorded. So that is known as single entry. Only one place recording is made, that is known as single entry. But when the business are small, when the transactions are limited, and the only one person, that is sole trader or proprietary business concern is run by the particular person, at that time it is possible, because one person is not doing all the things. That's why he saved the time, he saved the money, and a single recording system, that is single entry system, is to be followed by him. But when the business organizations are developed, singly, that is businessman, sole trader, then become partnership firm, then cooperative societies, then companies, at that time this single entry system may not be sufficient for keeping the records or keeping the books of accounts. And that's why double entry system, where any one transaction, when we are taken into consideration, the machinery is purchased for rupees 1 lakh. So machinery is asset that is to be purchased, and for paying the amount or cash to the particular person, so this can be recorded, the machinery account as well as cash account, that is known as double entry system. So in the double entry, the particular transaction is to be recorded in two accounts. One is machinery account and another is cash account. So this is known as double entry system. Now double entry system is come into existence in 1494. 1494 साली डबल एंट्री सिस्टम ही अस्तित्वात आली. म्हणजे बघा किती वर्ष झाले आता. So double entry system is come into existence in the year 1490.